Welcome back to the channel. If you are just starting your journey with Fusion 360, navigating your 3D workspace can feel a bit overwhelming at first. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to master the View Cube and the navigation bar to move around your models like a pro. These tools are the foundation of your workflow, and knowing them inside out will save you so much time during your design process. If this video helps you get more comfortable in the software, please hit that like button and subscribe for more CAD tutorials. Let us dive right in. The most essential tool for orientation is the View Cube, located right in the top right corner of your workspace. It provides a visual representation of your model's orientation in 3D space. You can click on any of the flat faces, such as front, top, or right, to snap your view instantly to those standard planes. If you need a more perspective-based look, simply click on any of the edges or corners of the cube, which will automatically shift your view to an angled isometric projection. One of my favorite tricks for quick manual adjustments is clicking and dragging the cube itself, which allows you to orbit your model freely and see components from every possible angle. Now, if you are someone who prefers clicking icons over using keyboard shortcuts, the navigation bar at the bottom of your screen is your best friend. Centered at the bottom, you will find the Orbit tool, which provides more precise control than the View Cube. Next to it is the Pan tool, represented by the hand icon, which allows you to slide your view across the canvas without rotating it. You also have the Zoom and Fit View icons. The Fit View tool is particularly useful when you get lost in your workspace, as it snaps the camera back to encompass your entire design entity. Finally, you have the Display Settings button, where you can modify how your model is rendered, such as switching between wireframe, shaded, or hidden edges mode. Learning to navigate efficiently is the first step towards complex modeling, and these tools are exactly what you will be using every single day. Taking a moment to master the View Cube and the navigation bar now will prevent frustration later. Again, if this video cleared things up for you, please make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss our upcoming advanced modeling guides. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.